his war cry, vote chor, gaddi chor. You ask him about Prime Minister's visit to China, his answer is vote chor, gaddi chor. We asked him about cross-voting in vice presidential polls. His answer was the same, vote chor, gaddi chor. Watch it to believe it.
Any word on vice president polls? Any word on vice?
Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor.
Sir, you think this is also a vote chori, sir?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yes, sir.
Viewers, they say if you repeat a lie often enough, people will sooner or later believe it. Is that the poll strategy of Rahul Gandhi and the Vipaksh to defeat the BJP in the upcoming assembly elections? Else, why would a party and a leader of the opposition, instead of raising the issue at the right platform, the EC in this case, would only talk about it in poll rallies and during political visits like this one to Raebareli? Now, coming to the VP polls, the results have proved that the claim of opposition unity over their candidate, Justice Sudarshan Reddy, was nothing but a smokescreen. The results have exposed chinks in the opposition. Despite best efforts by Vipaksh, NDA got at least 14 votes more than its strength in the two houses. There was cross-voting for sure. And then Times Now asked Rahul Gandhi about that specific issue. His response was standard, vote chor, gaddi chor. We ask, how was it vote chori? Also, these elections happened via ballot papers and not EVMs. Despite that, the answer was vote chor, gaddi chor. Hear it once again.
Any word on vice president polls, sir? Any word on vice?
Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor. Vote chor, gaddi chor.
Sir, you think this is also a vote chori, sir?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Yes, sir.
Now, viewers, this, as expected, has given more ammunition to the BJP. BJP netas are saying Rahul Gandhi has lost his mental balance. He can't keep his flock together. Listen in.
Mental balance is gone. That's why he is quoting. Uparashtrapati election, he lost the vote. Congress vote is India Alliance. He lost the vote. He can't taken as a group for India. Fail. He fail. That's the thing. That's why he is asking the Modi vote chor. What is vote chor? Kya hai? Your party cross voting. You can't control your party to advise BJP. It's, your mental balance is gone. I think Rahul Gandhi mental balance is gone.
वोट चोरी का तो पता नहीं, पर राहुल जी ये बताए कि क्या कांग्रेस का दिमाग चोरी हो चुका है। अब राहुल जी बोलते हैं कि जो क्रॉस वोटिंग हुई है, या जिसे कहा जा सकता है वोट ऑफ कॉन्शियंस हुआ है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन में, वो भी वोट चोरी है। राहुल जी कहाँ रुकेगा आपका ये प्रोपेगेंडा? आपने तो कहा था, जयराम रमेश ने कहा था, ऑपोजिशन यूनाइटेड है, 325 वोट आने वाले हैं, बैटल ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी है। अब आपकी बैटल ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी में, आपकी ऑपोजिशन यूनिटी में कितना बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह है, ये तो आपके ही सांसदों ने साबित कर दिया। उन्होंने राधाकृष्णन जी को वोट दे दिया और उन्होंने बता दिया कि जो आपका प्रत्याशी, आपका कैंडिडेट है, वो राष्ट्रवादी नहीं, वो सपोर्टर ऑफ नक्सलवादी है।
ये बड़ा चोर राहुल गांधी है। उनके जैसे बड़ा चोर, उनका पूरा खानदान चोर की खानदान है। तो चोर की वजह से संविधान को आपातकाल के समय सभी नागरिक हक को खतरे में डाल दिया था। वो चोरी लोग वही चोरी लोग हैं। चोरी लोग हमेशा दूसरों को चोर चोर कहता है, उन्हें तो बड़ा चोर है।
And Congress netas, as expected, are now coming out backing Rahul Gandhi and what he is saying about cross-voting. Listen.
Definitely the BJP government using the Election Commission of India to do this special intensive revision to delete some votes. As Rahul Gandhi ji said that BJP is capable of doing anything to safeguard the power, to keep themselves in power, because that is the overconfidence you can clearly see.
Clearly, for Congress netas, it might be a compulsion to back whatever Rahul Gandhi is saying, but other parties in the Vipaksh do not seem to agree with Rahul Gandhi. In fact, we spoke to Anand Dubey of Uddhav Sena, who questioned how can there be vote chori? He claims that everything was transparent. Listen in. आनंद दुबे जी, आप ये बताइए, अभी हम राशिद अल्वी जी से बात कर रहे थे, वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे जो महाराष्ट्र के अलायंस पार्टनर है उन पे इतना प्रेशर बनाया गया ऑफ सीबी ऑफ ईडी कि उन्होंने शायद क्रॉस वोट कर दिया. क्या सही बात कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज राहुल गांधी तो बोल रहे हैं कि ये वोट चोरी हुई है. किसकी बात माने?
देखिए ऐसा है कि जिस दिन ये चुनाव का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ उसी दिन से एक बात स्पष्ट थी कि एनडीए के पास बहुमत ज्यादा है और हमारे पास इंडिया गठबंधन के पास संख्या बल कम थी. क्योंकि ये चुनाव गुप्त मतदान से होती है तो हमने यही सबसे अपील की कि भाई सब लोग अपने अंतरात्मा की आवाज सुनिए, अपने अंतरात्मा की आवाज सुनकर वोट करिए. हमने उम्मीद की थी कि हमें अच्छी खासी वोट मिलेगी. कोई बात नहीं, क्या हार में क्या जीत में, ये तो एक कोई जीतना था, एक कोई हारना था. दोनों ही योग्य उम्मीदवार थे, दोनों ही अच्छे अनुभव रखने वाले उम्मीदवार थे. तो हमें नहीं
मगर क्रॉस वोटिंग क्या आपके पार्टी में हुई? क्योंकि राहुल गांधी तो बोल रहे हैं कि ये क्रॉस वोटिंग नहीं, ये वोट चोरी हुई. तो क्या वोट चोरी हुई दुबे जी?
नहीं, अभी से तो बैलेट पेपर पे हुई है, इसमें तो कैसे चोरी होगी पता नहीं. तो हर जगह सीसीटीवी कैमरे लगे हैं, तो हम नहीं समझते कि यहाँ कोई वोट चोरी हुई होगी. बट ठीक है, उम्मीद से कम वोट मिला हमें. हम सोच रहे थे कि कम से कम 350 वोट हमें मिलेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे सांसद नाराज थे बीजेपी से. बहुत सारे सांसद ऐसे भी थे जो बीजेपी के साथ थे, जैसे टीडीपी हो गई, जैसे वाईएसआर हो गई. अंत में उन्होंने उनको मदद की. हमें उम्मीद थी कि वो हमें मदद करेंगे, वाईएसआर और टीडीपी टाइप जो पार्टियां हैं. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हम फिर भी यही चीज चाहेंगे कि जो नए उपराष्ट्रपति बने हैं ये अच्छे से सबको विश्वास में लेके काम करें.
मगर आप मान रहे हैं कि अंतरात्मा की जो बात आप कर रहे हैं कि शायद आपके पार्टी में भी वो एमपीज हैं जिन्होंने जाके एनडीए के कैंडिडेट को वोट किया शायद?
नहीं, हमारे 11 एमपी हैं. 11 के 11 ने 20 सुदर्शन.
राशिद अल्वी जी तो आपके अलायंस पार्टनर है, वो तो बोले कि हमारे महाराष्ट्र के जो अलायंस पार्टनर है उन्होंने शायद क्रॉस वोटिंग की है.
तो वो शायद कांग्रेस के लिए कह रहे होंगे. कांग्रेस के जो महाराष्ट्र के लोग हैं शायद वो गलत मतदान किए होंगे, पता नहीं मुझे. हमारे 11 के 11 बहुत.
उन्होंने तो अलायंस पार्टनर बोला. खैर, आप बोल रहे कि कांग्रेस के एमपीज ने शायद क्रॉस वोट किया होगा महाराष्ट्र में.
तो शरद पवार की पार्टी के लिए कह रहे होंगे, हमें नहीं पता. हम तो एकदम अच्छे से 11 के 11 हमारे.
मगर वोट चोरी नहीं है आनंद दुबे जी, आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि वोट चोरी नहीं है?
कैसे कहें, वोट चोरी कैसे कहें? इसमें तो सब कुछ सबके सामने हुआ है. यहाँ कहाँ कोई चोर आया हुआ है?
आप राहुल गांधी से यही बात बताएंगे क्या उनको? राहुल गांधी जी को तो लगता है कि ये वोट चोरी हुई है.
हमारी जब बातचीत होगी, हम जब मिलेंगे तो जरूर उनसे बात करेंगे.
जी, थैंक यू सो मच. यू बीन वेरी कैंडिड. Thank you so much. Appreciated, Anand Dubey ji, for joining us here. And let me now go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live for more on this. Niyamika, even the Vipaksh seems to be split on this argument by Rahul Gandhi that, during the vice presidential election also there was vote chori. Actually, he was asked a direct question by Adib of cross voting.
Well, the answer which has been given by Rahul Gandhi in an exclusive conversation with Times Now, it seems like he's trying to create a narrative as he's repeatedly saying the same slogan. He's repeatedly saying vote chor, gaddi chor. That is the slogan which he was trying to, give every single day whenever he goes out for any kind of political event, and that is what he has stated in today's conversation with Times Now as well, as he was being asked about the VP elections, and for that reason also he had once again stated that that it was a vote chori which was being done by the BJP, which they are doing all across the country. But when we have spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party itself, they have stated that the message behind this entire statement of Rahul Gandhi was something else. They are basically stating that on one side it is the BJP only who is trying to give out this message, including the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, who has also tweeted in this regard, stating that some of the people within the India bloc, within the opposition, who had voted in support of NDA, to which the Congress party is raising a question that how they got to know about it, because it is a secret ballot. How do they know that some of the people within the opposition rank had voted in favor of the NDA camp? So that is the question which the Congress party is raising. They are saying that not just this, but in fact a kind of a threat was also being given to several of the political parties who are not a part of the NDA, as they had also abstained from voting, whether it is BJD, BRS or the Akali Dal. All of these parties have chosen not to vote in the VP elections. That is basically a clear-cut example of how the BJP is trying to, do pressure tactics upon all of these parties to remain silent. As we have spoken to Mr. Kiran Reddy, who is the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, he has stated that the manner in which Kaleshwaram project probe has been given to CBI, this has basically been done to mount more pressure upon the BRS party, and that is the only reason why they remain silent when we were expecting that they will come and support the opposition's candidate Sudarshan Reddy, but that was not being done.
Right.
So that is the only reason why many other MPs have also stated that even the Constitution Amendment Bill was also being brought by the BJP only because they want to mount pressure upon all of these parties who are having some kind of corruption charges against its own leaders, and that is
Right.
the reason why this kind of vote chori allegation has once again been put up by the Congress leader and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, regarding
Right.
the election.
Niyamika, request you to stay on with us. We have more inputs, in fact, coming in on this particular story, and it seems there aren't many takers in the opposition for what Rahul Gandhi has claimed, the bizarre allegation, in fact, that he has now made. First, it was the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena, and now it is AIUDF. We have a reaction coming in from AIUDF as well, wherein the Neta says vote can't be tampered in Parliament. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी ने जो बात किया प्रेसिडेंट आफ्टर वाइस प्रेसिडेंशियल जो चुनाव हो गई उसके बाद में वोट चोरी के बारे में, गद्दी चोरी के बारे में, ये देखिए, हाँ मानता हूं कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज है, लेकिन अभी जो पार्लियामेंट का जो मेंबर है इनका ऊपर जो वोट, राज्यसभा लोकसभा का जो वोट है, इस वोट अगर क्रॉस वोटिंग करे तो बहुत दुख की बात है। इसमें वोट किसको कौन चोरी करेगा? ये सब है, एक एमपी है, एक मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, राज्यसभा का हो या अपर हाउस को या लोअर हाउस को, ये भी एक पार्लियामेंट है, इनका वोट कैसे चोरी हो सकता है? मेरा ख्याल ये है, ये जो हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग हुआ है इसका बारे में जो वोट, जो एमपी का वोट चोरी होगा, मैं ये विश्वास नहीं करता हूं कि एमपी का वोट चोरी हुआ है।
Let's go back to Niyamika, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Niyamika, so earlier it was the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena. Now even AIUDF trying to make it absolutely clear that when it comes to such elections, there can't be vote chori. Of course, cross-voting has happened. The reasons, of course, can be deliberated upon, but the point is cross-voting has happened that has exposed this, opposition unity that INDI bloc parties were talking about. But how is vote chori really related to it is something that many are baffled about.
Well, firstly, we should also remember that AIUDF is not a part of India Alliance, and the manner in which they had given this statement, that is a question which is being raised by many of the opposition leaders as well, as how can it be related to vote chori, the manner in which these elections have taken place? It was the member of parliament who have cast their votes for the VP candidate, but for that reason, now the Congress party is also trying to give a justification regarding this matter. They are saying that this vote chori message which Rahul Gandhi has given, that is not just related to the kind of vote chori which was being done in the other states, including Karnataka or Haryana. This is something about the manner in which BJP is trying to put pressure upon the political parties to remain silent, to abstain from voting, or even 15 invalid votes have also been there during the VP election. So all of these are basically the tactics of the BJP. They are also making allegations against the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, saying that how can he be so sure that there was cross voting which has taken place. So all of these points have also been mentioned by the Congress party in a kind of a clarification which they are trying to give regarding Rahul Gandhi's statement. But now it is the AIUDF who has stated that tampering can be done, but vote chori is not possible in such of the elections where it is the member of parliament who are going to vote. But on the other side, we would also like to mention here is that Rahul Gandhi is also trying to create a narrative in the country, whether it is about Bihar or any other state. Wherever he is going, he is repeating the same kind of slogan, trying to build a narrative, a messaging which he is trying to give to the people of this country, that how it is basically a theft of votes which the BJP is trying to do in various elections. Even the Congress party is also stating that the BJP has always win elections or formed the government on the basis of lies and propaganda, so we cannot expect from them that there will be any kind of
Right.
free and fair elections in any form. So that is the kind of a response which is coming in of the Congress
Well,
party
absolutely.
regarding
Like
this.
you're saying that a narrative is being created to influence the people of this country ahead of the assembly elections. But BJP clearly says that this is without any proof. This is nothing but fear mongering by the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Thank you, Niyamika, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on and shift our focus to the